Hello traders, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today, this is the second part of the Volatility 75 video on the strategy that I shared in the first video. This is part 2, and it's a very important part of the trading strategy. So as you can see, my chart, I have 4 charts this time around, and they are arranged on the windows like this. So that I can easily see how and when to take my trades. That is why I arrange them like this. So this is the H4 time frame. This is H1, this is M15, and this is M5. So on here, you see the setup on H1. You take the entry on M5. I just took the trade now on M5. Then on the H4, once you see the setup, you wait to take your entry on the M15 time frame. So how does it work? Here, when a zone is created, supply zone is created, you wait for a retest. On the retest of that zone, as soon as you see price hit the zone, you start watching out for your entry on the 15 minutes time frame. What would you be watching out for? You watch for a new zone, a new supply zone created, not this one of the 4 hours. This is the 4-hour zone. There's a 4-hour supply zone. You are not going to take your entry on the retest of this zone. You are going to wait for a new supply zone created on the M15. Then on the retest of that zone, you take a sell to the downside. But if you are going to use the 1-hour time frame, this is the supply zone and it has been retested. As soon as the zone is retested on this strategy, you are not going to jump into the trade. You come to the 1-hour time frame and check if there is a new supply zone created. This is a new supply zone. You wait for that zone to be created, and on the retest of that zone, that is when you take your sell to the downside. And that is why I have to take this sell. So if you are taking the sell on the 15 minute on the M5, that's 5 minutes time frame, you set your stop loss above the supply zone on the 1 hour. Then take profit is on the demand zone. So this market may go back up and take you out, no problem. You wait for another opportunity. Once you get a good opportunity, you are going to recover all your losses more than ×5. So that is it. It's very short and very straightforward. A supply zone, a retest of supply zone, you wait for a new supply zone to be created on the M5, and the retest of that supply zone, you take your sell. Same with a demand zone. Look at this one. This happened yesterday, which was 22nd of January 2021. See the entry over here on M5. If you see your setup on H1, look for entry on the M5. If you see your setup on H4, look for your entry on the M15. Look at this, 22nd January. So as soon as we had this retest of the demand zone on H1, you wait for the new demand zone to be created on the M1. Once it is created, wait for the retest. And the retest, you take your entry, which is here. Stop loss will be below the demand zone of the 1 hour, and your take profit will be on the supply zone. And that is how this trade went up till it got to the supply zone today, early this morning. And that is it. Now, after that, a new supply zone was created and it has been retested. I took the entry here, hoping price will drop down again, either to this level, to this other block, or to this demand zone. If it doesn't work, it will take me out, but I will look for another entry. this strategy is very profitable, and it takes patience and discipline because you're going to wait for all the rules to be met. If they are not met and you take the trade, you are on your own. So please ensure you follow the rules and take the trades the way I just explained. On your own, you may decide to maybe add some stuffs to the strategy to suit your psychology or your emotion. But this is highly profitable. So please do not forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.